Booksy versus Calendly. Which is the best appointment scheduling tool for you? I'm going to tell you which is better for scheduling, Booksy or Calendly. Calendly is clean, simple, and made for professionals. Perfect for meetings, interviews, or remote calls. You set your availability, send the link, and let people book. It works great with Google or Outlook calendars, and it's ideal for freelancers, consultants, or office teams. Booksy, on the other hand, is built more for beauty, wellness, and service-based businesses. Think barbers, nail techs, massage therapists. It lets clients book online, leave reviews, and even pay through the app. It also has features like no-show protection and marketing tools. So here's the difference. Calendly is best if you're handling meetings and need a sleek, no-fuss scheduler. Booksy is better if you're in a service business and need full appointment management with client tools. Bottom line, use Calendly for office-style bookings. Use Booksy if your business is hands-on and client-facing.